Today is gonna be very unusual red day recap. So I finished the day in the pre-market session at minus around $45. So my account balance was $582.47. Today is a huge day, huge red day recap. Currently my account less than $200 from 582. I lost today $413.10, and if you want to ask me how it is possible, the answer is gonna be using unsettled cash. So I wanted to to fix my day. I didn't want to have a red day. After I finished it, I made another trade with unsettled cash, and I lost $100 on it. So my account was down to $380. So another stock popped up. I made, I'll see right now how much I made. So another stock popped up. So I lost on guts $109, more than $100 on guts. Then CARM, I bought this stock, made $56. So that's where the spiral started. I was like, okay, so even though I already lost $100 more, I can make it, everything back, at least how much I was, when I finish trading. So, but it was just a beginning, and I started losing -3, -2, -10, -42 on another stock. Then I started slowly making money back, 32, 34, 10. My account was up at some point to $520 from 380, and then I just was spiraling and trading, losing money. So yesterday I made a video with my plan that I wanna make $25 a day or $100 a week with over $600 account. Now this account 3 times smaller, and this goal is unrealistic. It's to make a day more than 10%. I don't think it's possible for me. And this is enormous. Even if I'm gonna make like 400, even if I'm gonna make $5 a day, so I'm gonna just count $413 dividing by $5 a day. I would need 80 almost 83 trading days, considering that I'm not gonna, none of this 83 trading days will be a loser. So if I'm gonna make $5 a day for 83 days, so my account is gonna be back at how much it was yesterday. I mean, do I need to deposit more money? But I think it just doesn't make sense right now, because if I'm gonna deposit money right now, I couldn't manage my risk with a current account, so I don't think it doesn't make any sense to put more money right now. So I guess I would need just to slowly dig myself out of this hole. And not allow myself to trade with unsettled cash. This is something that got me today. I was like, okay, I know I can make it happen. And I started a day today at 7 o'clock in the morning, even before that. So literally I just finished, the entire day I was just sitting in front of my computer from 7 o'clock in the morning till my last trade was at 4 o'clock and 20. When the market closed, after hours trading at 4:20. Wow. So I didn't, I just didn't want to even record this video. I'm looking at my P&L. It's terrible. I was at 9 o'clock in the morning, down 9:10, down to minus $247, and at 10:35 I was only down $101. Then finishing a day with minus 413 bucks. I don't know what to say. I mean, the lowest in this account, the very lowest, I was, the minimum balance in this account was, where it was, $508.11. This was a minimum account balance when I started this YouTube channel. Even if I'm gonna try to go back to $508.11, I wanna see how many days I would need just for that. $61 days. 61, like almost 62 days, making $5 profit. 2 months. And I was talking, hopefully by the end of July I'm gonna have an account with a balance over 1,000 bucks. And here I am, recording this video with less than 200 bucks in my account. I mean, I wanna calculate how much I lost. On Friday my balance was $626.25. I lost almost 65.96% of my account. in one day. No, I don't think I wanna add money at this point. I think I need just, maybe not even concentrate on making this $5 a day. Maybe just try to extract from a market like 20 cents with 10 shares. Like I would need just 20, like almost a month to make $100 back. Almost a month. And it destroyed my month, my plans. I was up like even $6, but I was up on month of June. It's gonna also affect my metrics. So with so much losing trades today, I'm at 55% right now. I was like at 50, 57 or 58. Guys, never trade with unsettled cash. This thing is freaking crazy. So my today's session was like really bad. I set up my rules, traded LPTX, was down, $20 on it. That's when I needed to walk away, like to say myself, this is gonna be your max loss, just walk away. And then I continued trading, minus $34 on LPTX, then minus 35 on LPTX. And finished the day with minus 41 just on LPTX. It was a pop and drop. Very fast reversal. Huge candle on 5-minute chart. I thought my 2 red days were big, 100 and 230. Yeah, $199.77. That's my balance. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I know that I don't even wanna trade. That's how I feel. And I don't know. I'm thinking maybe just making a tiny goal for me, like $5 a day, but $5 a day is not a small goal for this account. $5 a day for the account of $199, that's a no, it's 2.5%. Maybe it's a decent goal. Maybe this is what I need to stick to, this goal, you know, make one trade a day, $5 and out. And you know, hopefully not to destroy my current account. $200 is still, you know, still a lot of money. And this is guys my day today. It's gonna be a very long video. You know, I didn't record a session when I was spiraling. I just finished. When I finished the day, I'm gonna do a recap of this video. I'm gonna, you know, show my trade, and you know, from this trade I started spiraling like crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this video. There is nothing like I wanna add or to say, just, you know, just very, very bad. Now I know now I'm gonna just focusing on, not like on this how to recover this $413.10, but how to, you know, get my account to, you know, at least $500. This is like $300 away. $300 away. Oh, and I forgot, guys. If you think that, you know, yes, I am stupid. I know, when, you know, when I did such a huge mistake, when I didn't walk away, when I was able to walk away, you know, with, you know, $100 of loss. Okay, it's possible to recover. I know, for me, you know, I recovered even, you know, even with from a bigger loss, but not from $413 on such a small account. Like the video, and let me know what you think, and maybe you had a similar day where you lost, you know, a ton of money, where you were spiraling. I didn't want to record this video, you know, like I literally wanted just to delete my channel today. That's how I felt. Like, I don't want to show it. I don't want to, you know, that's very, very bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish it. So, like the video. If you're still watching, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. So I don't know how I'm gonna recover from this. I know that I need to, but, you know, as I said, I don't want to deposit more money into this account. That's gonna be a very, very wrong thing to do. So I'll see you in the next video. So I'm looking at HCAI. Looks like this is a China company.
Chinese. Comprehensive smart parking solutions and equipment structure parts provider conducting all its operation through its operating subsidiary in China. High $1.78. Today's high. Looks like it's gonna break, or it's a false breakout. But MACD is open, and volume is setting very small. From $1 to 178. No news. Nine seconds until open. So now it's a leading gapper on a day. I'm gonna buy it here. Just 25 shares. We'll see what's gonna happen with the stock. Bought at 189. My stop loss will be at 150, 185 probably. I wanna see if it wants to move. Looks like it might. I'm out. Don't like that. Traded 25 shares minus $2.25. So it's 87% on a day. Up 87%. OP is below VWAP. INDP looks like it might. Now it's above VWAP. Take a look at INDP. Doesn't look like we have something good this morning. So it's 7:05. WAP 290 million shares. Float. Enormous. It looks like my MACD is going negative on HCAI on 1 minute chart. INDP below VWAP. LPTX looks like it's moving. I'm gonna buy LPTX 100 shares. Bought 100 shares of LPTX. I'm gonna add good move on LPTX. We have news. US company made in here. Have 200 shares. My average cost is 68 cents. High of the day was 74 cents. So this is a leading gapper, 86% on a day. $1.30 is our 200 EMA. I'm gonna add here 100 shares. I wanted to cancel, but it bought. That's fine. I have 300 shares of LPTX. We'll see if it wants to move higher, or if it wants to fail. I need to sell this. I'm minus 20 bucks. Looks like I cannot sell. Let's hold this and see what's gonna happen. Now it's moving lower. I'm gonna sell right now this position. Minus $20. CDTX moving like crazy. Of course you cannot buy, it's very expensive. I don't think I even need to buy this stock. CDTX is a leading gapper, but on a light volume. So I have only $378 left to trade. And LPTX was the one who got me really hard. Now it's trading at 52 cents, just sold off completely. I wanna buy this LPTX. I'm gonna try again. Looks like this candle might finish green. I'm gonna add here. So have 200 shares of the stock. bought at 54. So the high of the day was 74 cents. 50 cents will be my stop loss. Don't really want to wait for, oh, it's going much lower. Minus $34.97. So I hit my max loss. Should I walk away or? So it looks like it's doing a round trip. I know I probably not needed to buy, but I wanna get in and see if it can do something. Has news. I have 500 shares of this stock right now at 50 cents per share. Going very heavy on it. 535 shares. looks like it's trying to break this 51-cent level. If it can, I think we need to break even 52 to be in a good shape. I like this lower wick, meaning the buyers are buying the stock. Would like to see more of this when the price will go up to the VWAP. So VWAP at 59 cents. I'm gonna sell 100 shares here. Sold 100 shares more. I have 335 shares of the stock. My position is still down on a day, but looks like we might break a VWAP. So still holding 335 shares of the stock. I'm gonna give it some time to possibly break a VWAP. If not, I'm gonna sell with a loss. Which shrank. So the high was here 57 cents. Looks like we might break it. If we will go straight to 59 cents. This is our VWAP. My position currently minus $11. My average price is 49 cents, around 50 cents. So this time we couldn't break VWAP, and we have 20 seconds left for a huge candle to close. I'm glad I sold 200 shares, almost at the top. Is it a double bottom, or the stock wants to go lower? This is a question. So 46 cents is our double bottom price. This was a bit scary when it dropped below this level and the buyers bought everything back up. So hopefully it's gonna go higher. Right now up to 50 cents. We have a doji here forming indecision candle. The LPTX is only 27% on a day. But now it needs to break this 50 cents level, then needs to break 29 EMA and then go to VWAP. So now it has more obstacles to break. Looks terrible now. I'm gonna try to get out from the position. Maybe it's gonna bounce back, but I need to definitely get out from here. just keep going lower and lower and lower. Now mark this negative on both 5 and 1 minute charts. I'm gonna sell 50 shares here. Shares here. Holding 235 shares right now. So we have 5 consecutive green candles on 1 minute chart. Looks like it's still struggling. sold 50 more shares. At this point, I'm just trying to reduce my loss on the day. I'm gonna sell 50 more shares here, selling on the bid, not asking for more, holding 135 shares. I'm gonna sell 35 shares here, and I only have 100 shares left. I'm gonna hold this position to see what it wants to do. Currently I'm down $40 on a day, around $41. Will it break 47-cent level? Looks like there is a wall of sellers in this 47-cent level. So, finishing a day, So unfortunately today is gonna be everyday recap. I'm minus around 43 bucks, way more than my max loss of $25 I set up. So I was trading very heavily on this LPTX stock, even though it was with news. I don't know, something happened, and it went from 72 cents down to 46 cents in 5 minutes, one candle. So I hope that tomorrow is gonna be a better day. Tomorrow we will have more stocks that will be keep moving, and this is a day today minus around 43 bucks.